Hey everybody. Today is, what is it? January 25th, and it's like 40 degrees, sunny. I can't help myself. I got to get out. I've been doing inside projects, and it's beautiful. So I really want to start on a log deck for my sawmill. I've been loading them to my mill with my Kubota tractor, and for the most part, it's okay, but it's hard to finesse it on there, and sometimes I drop them real hard, or I hit the mill occasionally with my forks or my bucket, and I want to just prevent all that. Try to make the mill last as long as I can. So what I'm thinking out here is I've kind of put a tape to it. I think I'm going to come out about 5 feet and put a post, and maybe another 5 feet, put a post, and just do that twice. And the post will be about 6 feet apart, and thinking typically I'll have 10 to 12 foot long logs, so that'll be plenty of support there. The ground is pretty hard, but we have a spell of 40 and 50 degree weather coming up here, probably 5-6 days. So I think 3-4 days from now I'll be able to get my auger in the dirt so I can get my post set. So right now I'm going to start laying this out. I got some marking paint, but I think it's frozen. Probably has some moisture in there. So I got some stakes, just so I get a feel for it. And I figured I'd just bring you along. So I'm kind of designing this as I go and what feels best. I'm putting my log deck on the operator side of the mill. I know some people like to do it on the other side, but I have limited amount of room on that back side. And eventually I want to put a sawmill shed over this. So I have to keep in mind, I still want to be able to drive between this and my container shop over there, with my tractor and everything else. So I don't want anything else over there. So operator side it is. So I'll just get to work and bring you along. Alright, so I went ahead and hooked up the John Deere A55. I'm going to give this a go. I think it'll do it, but those first few inches are going to be frozen, so I'm going to take it nice and easy just to see how the tractor feels. It's a little bit smaller. Well, it's a lot smaller than my Kubota. And this is a pretty big postal digger, so see how it goes. So the wind is definitely picked up. Sorry about the wind noise. Hopefully you can hear me. The Kubota has a lot more finesse. This is a little more on and off, so I'm not looking for perfection. These are just posts going into the ground, hold up my beams, hold up my logs. So let's get it. Alright. So believe it or not, that's actually progress. Like I said, the ground is pretty frozen, but it's handling it pretty good, so it's just going to take a little bit longer. Go get a shovel. Well, we're down about 5 inches. Alright, so it's getting softer. I'm actually surprised the frost is that deep. Nine inches already. Well, maybe it goes to a foot. We'll find out. Alright, not too bad at all. I bet it was right around 10-12 inches that I broke through, and I don't know if it came up on camera, but as soon as it did that, it pulled that auger right in. So I'm right at 3 feet. I like to be closer to 40 inches. Yeah, we'll see if we can get it. Again, I'm not too worried about this. It's just going to be holding logs, but I still don't want it heaving on me, so So I'm tapped out. I'll have to get the post hole digger, the manual one, and get another 6 inches out of there. So. Okay, so again, probably about 10 to 12 inches of frost, so not too bad. I started this a couple hours ago. So 2 holes and 2 posts, not too bad. Now, usually I can just dig out the hole. I got a 9-inch auger, but railroad ties will fit in there. It's a little tight, but I usually take my tractor and I just push it down, and it goes no problem. Now that one went in because it's a 1/2 inch smaller. This is a normal size one. So tomorrow I'll have to get the Kubota out, and it's just got a lot more weight than this little guy here. So we'll push this one in the rest of the way, and then we'll get the other 2 holes dug. I should have a full day tomorrow, so I'm hoping to get this done tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday. I don't think we have any plans. It's a good day. I call it Sunday Fun Day. So well, I'll bring it back tomorrow. We'll finish this up. We'll get the Kubota going. It's got a flat, so I got to fix that. But get that going. Push this in. I got to square it up a little bit too. And I usually just take a ratchet strap and a chain, or a chain, one of those 2. So yeah, I'll bring it back tomorrow, and we'll get this log deck all buttoned up. So we'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.